So when we first bought this space, it was completely overgrown, which gave us a really good opportunity to transform it into something special. And we're really drawn to this house because it has so much character. It was built in the 1900s, it's a heritage home, and to be able to renovate that house has been a real dream for us. So my husband and I and our 2 children live here with our pet Labradoodle Oakley. I think having our house completely renovated and then having an additional space that we hadn't got to really gave us that opportunity to make that space luxury. Because I'm an interior designer, my husband's a builder, it gave us a really good canvas to work with. We did want it to feel as an extension of the house, so the colours have really been drawn on the main house. But because it is a darker area, we really wanted to lighten up that space. So we wanted to use colours that were going to be warm, light and bright, and really made the spa the hero piece. When we did look around, there were other options that were maybe cheaper, but I guess we couldn't really rely on the quality of those products. Spa World's a local place for us. It's really close to where we live, and it was really great that we could actually see the product, we could feel it, we can actually see the quality of it. I guess we were really impressed with the customer service when we went in there, which made it really easy to actually buy local rather than online. Our spa is a 3x2 metre, so there is lots of room for all of us. In fact, our youngest daughter learnt to swim in the spa. The kids can be out here playing in the cubby house, and we can easily see them too, so it makes it a safe and fun environment where we can all be in. Because we do like to entertain, we do have a lot of young families here, which is really great because we can be using the spa, the kids can be out here playing, or vice versa. There's absolutely no maintenance, because if you've got a pool boy like my husband, then you don't need anything at all. But on a serious note, he does say it's minimal maintenance. To be honest, I've been really surprised because we haven't noticed a great increase to our bills. And I guess that was something we were prepared for, going, oh, I'm wondering how much extra it's going to cost. But yeah, we've been pleasantly surprised. So nice to be able to sit and marinate in the spa, have the massage chairs on and the jets going. It's nice. I would 100% recommend Spa World. We've been really happy with the service, we've been really happy with the communication, and it's a place that I would comfortably recommend to anyone. I don't think our family had a lot of outlets at home to really come together and relax, so I think the spa has really afforded us that opportunity, and that's something I've been really grateful for and perhaps didn't realise I was missing out on.